start a new document, you go into File, New, and then select Text Document. Then you will end up with a new document. You can also zoom into full width, page width. So this will zoom into the page width. You can type anything you like. You can change the style through this method, like title. You select by pressing triple. If you do a single click, it will go into the area where you want to edit. If you do double click, it will select a word. If you do triple click, it will select the paragraph. Your paragraph can be more than one line. I'll just give an example. Like this is a paragraph, so if I do triple click anywhere, then it will select the whole paragraph. And I can change the style of the paragraph by selecting preset styles. If I want detailed styles, I can change the font. I can change the size of the font. I can make it bold, not bold, italics, underline. There is more than one type of underline. And then there is this strike through, superscript. Superscript is better demonstrated by just one part. And so this is superscript. If you want to do subscript, this is subscript. This one is to clear the formatting. So if I want this part and I want to get rid of all the formatting, there's a button for that. And this is for highlighting. So if I want to select this part, there's like a highlighter. There. You can highlight that. You can also change the color of the text. It's like this is for setting the color of the text, and this one is for highlighting. This is left justified. So if I have the whole paragraph, it is left justified, center justified, right justified, and this is justified to make sure it goes from this left margin all the way to the right margin, and the spaces will be set accordingly. This is bullet points. If I have more than a few lines, for example, I've got more than one line, this will be bullet points. I can also select like these two lines, and I can change the type of bullets I want to have. See, notice these are the bullet points. I can also do numbering, 1, 2, I can do A, B, C, D, and then